Keep going. Don't look at mommy. Look at where you're going. Oh, Jerra, mama's so proud of you. Okay, turn your wheel a little bit or you're going to crash. Look it. You're doing great. Okay, turn your wheel. Do you need a push or can you push? Push forward. You're okay. Push forward. Need help? Push forward. Okay, Jared, do your turnaround. Slow down. You did it! Oh my goodness, you know how to do that! Wow! Either you're just a born natural rider, or mommy's a really good teacher. Jerra, mama's so proud of you. Slow down, wait for your mama. Watch where you're going. It's windy. Okay, you're gonna crash. Use your brake. Uh-oh. Okay, that's your first crash.